How to deposit euro on Kraken. Depositing euro is a simple process. Click on Transfer and then click Deposit. Then click the drop-down menu. In the search field, type EUR and then click on euro. Then click here to see the different deposit methods. You can have money deposited directly to your Kraken account using Plaid. This is the fastest and cheapest way to fund your account. There are no fees and the funds can be transferred instantly. However, take note there is a daily limit of around 90,000 euros. When ready, enter the amount you'd like to transfer, then click Continue. Next, find your bank in the list of those that are supported. You can use the search field here. You'll then see the deposit details to where you are sending your funds from your bank account. Click Confirm Deposit when ready. You'll be automatically connected to your online banking to complete the steps for the deposit. Some banks will offer to connect by QR code. Other banks will require you to log in manually to complete the steps for the deposit. Once completed, SEPA instant deposits will arrive in your account in a few seconds. You can also fund your account by connecting it to your PayPal account. Click Connect PayPal. You'll then see the pop-up screen to log into your PayPal account and complete the steps for the deposit. PayPal fees will vary depending on your region and they are displayed in the final confirmation page. It's also possible to fund your account manually. For near real-time deposits from a SEPA bank account, you can use the Banking Circle SEPA Instant option, which is ideal for quick deposits with no fees. SEPA Instant usually takes only a few seconds. Check with your bank if it supports SEPA Instant. If not, Banking Circle and Bankfrick accept regular SEPA deposits. Keep in mind that these regular SEPA deposits can take up to 5 business days, but are usually credited in 2 days. To check if residents in your country can use this option, take a look at our support page for general information about SEPA. For euro deposits from banks outside the European Economic Area, Bankfrick is also available through use of the SWIFT network. Keep in mind that sending SWIFT bank deposits is considered much slower and generally has higher fees than sending a SEPA deposit. When using these manual funding methods, Kraken won't take money from your bank automatically. Instead, with Banking Circle, you can generate your own unique deposit address to send funds from your regular bank account. Click Get Deposit Details. The bank details here are where you need to send the funds from your bank account. Use your online banking to transfer the money. Be sure to copy the details from your account, not the details in this video. And keep in mind that the IBAN listed here is for euro only. Sending any other currencies to this IBAN is not possible. And before sending the funds from your bank, be sure to check that you haven't exceeded your account's daily or monthly deposit limits. And finally, money sent from another person's bank account cannot be credited. Check that the name listed in your bank account is the same as the name listed in your Kraken account. In the top right of the screen, you can find Settings. Here you can confirm the legal name of your personal or business account. If you have any questions about making a euro deposit, reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you.